Okay, this is Chapter 1, Class Problem 3 on Transactions. And the Tampa Delivery Service is owned and operated by John Ebor. And the following selected transactions were completed during February. And we've got 5 transactions here, and they want us to indicate the effect of each transaction on the accounting equation elements. Okay, so we've got assets, liabilities, owner's equity, then drawing, revenue, and expense. All right, and also indicate the specific item within the accounting equation. So let's put the headings over the columns. Let's have the first one we need are assets, so we'll put those here. Sorry. Assets, and then we've got liabilities and owner's equity, a drawing account, revenue and expense. Oops, we had a lot more room, huh? Revenue and expense. So now we know that this asset side has to equal everything over here. Okay? And the expenses are going to subtract from it, and the revenue will increase it. The drawing will also subtract. Okay? So the first one is we received cash from the owner is an additional investment. So we received cash. And as soon as you see that, received cash, that means the cash goes up. All right, so look for those words. So we're going to have cash here. Cash is going to increase by $40,000, and owner's equity will increase by $40,000. All right, and that's number 1. And then for number 2, we bill customers for delivery services on account. We bill them, which means we're going to have an account receivable. In other words, a promise to pay us, its accounts receivable will increase. And for services on account, that means that we've earned $13,750 in revenue. Okay, and that would be an increase in revenue. All right. After the next chapter, all of this will be a whole lot clearer. Right now, I know it's pretty new. So in number 3, we paid creditors on account. So for 3, we paid, and as soon as you see the word paid, okay, that means the cash went out the door. So cash is going to decrease. And we paid a creditor, which means we're reducing a liability. So this would be accounts payable. That would decrease. Okay? And then we paid cash to the owner for personal use. So the owner withdrew. Did I miss one? Oh, yeah, D, 4. We received cash from customers on account of $9,000. So here we received cash. All right, so cash would increase. These verbs are really important. And customers paid it on account. So cash would increase, but accounts receivable would decrease. So in this case, we've got an asset that increases and an asset that decreases. And after all of these transactions, that accounting equation stays in balance. Okay, then on number 5, we paid cash to the owner for personal use, so cash is going to decrease. And that drawing account is going to decrease by $1,000. Okay, well, actually, you're increasing a negative is what you're doing. Okay, all right.